Schluter Systems strongly recommends water testing before setting tile to verify a successful installation. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to do a water test in a curbless shower application. The test consists of filling the shower base with water and letting it stand to verify there are no leaks. Refer to local plumbing codes for any specific requirements in your area. For curbless showers, a temporary dam may be provided at the threshold to perform the water testing. We created a dam from 2x4 dimensional lumber, but other methods can be used as well. Temporarily secure the dam to the walls and subfloor or uncoupling membrane. We used a minimal amount of hot glue, but other suitable temporary adhesives may be used. It is extremely important to use care with the adhesive and to not damage the membranes during application and removal. Once the dam is set into place, we create a waterproof seal between the shower tray and the dam. We are using the 7-inch wide Kerdi band for this purpose. Spare Kerdi could be used as well. The horizontal section of Kerdi band is adhered to the tray using thin-set mortar. The vertical section of Kerdi band is folded up on the dam and held in place loosely using painter's tape or similar. Kerdi Carrick corners should be placed at the corners of the dam using thin-set mortar. The waterproofing application is now complete. Wait 24 hours minimum after the membrane installation is complete to allow for initial set of the thin-set mortar and ensure waterproof performance at the seams and connections. Insert a test plug in the drain or waste line to keep the water in the shower base area during the water test. Fill the shower base with water. The water level should be high enough so that both the membrane-to-drain connection and floor-to-wall transitions are evaluated. Make a mark at the water line. Typically, water is left in the shower base for 24 hours. Check the water level to make sure there are no leaks. Remove the test plug and allow the water to run out of the shower base. Remove the Kerdi Carrick corners along the dam. It is important to remove these components as soon as possible in order to avoid the mortar fully curing and forming a tenacious bond to the assembly. Carefully remove the temporary dam. Clean any loose thin-set mortar away from the area so it does not interfere with installation of the waterproofing connections in the following steps. Wipe down the shower base or allow it to dry prior to completing the waterproofing connections. Once the base is ready, complete the remaining waterproofing by connecting the shower tray to the adjacent Ditra XL membrane. If any damage occurs during removal of the temporary dam, it is critical to install a patch that will cover the area in question. The 2-inch overlap requirements must be maintained at all areas for waterproof integrity. The Schluter shower system ensures a waterproof, vapor-tight assembly and makes curbless shower installations easier than ever, allowing you to create a spa-like retreat with sleek design and consummate functionality.